I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So again, this is featuring Donmily Hair. This is the Brazilian curly, and I have in 3 22-inch bundles and 120. Is it a 20-inch? Yeah, a 20-inch. I think I said this was a closure in the other video, but it's actually a frontal, so I do apologize. It's really funny because lately I haven't even been using combs or adjustable straps. I've just been using Gorilla's knot, and it's actually been sitting pretty good and not, you know, sliding back and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, I guess it doesn't really make a difference if I have to use the combs or not, but I just wanted to mention that, like in the other video, because I keep saying like I said as if you guys already watched the other video, because I don't know if you did, and I don't know if that one's going to be up before this one, but I did state in the other video that I've been wearing this hair for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, to class and all of that, and it's actually been lasting. Like, I made this unit back in, I want to say last month sometime, but when I had got cut and stuff, I couldn't do the videos right away. I had this hair for a very long time, but it still looks pretty good. Again, I didn't wash, nor did I detangle this hair yet, so this is just how it's been looking after almost 2 weeks of wearing it, after 1 month of actually making it. So it still looks pretty good. Of course it'll look better if I wash it and detangle it and stuff, because right now it's getting frizzy, but other than that, like, I just spray it and go with some water and that's it. So let's get into this pretty little thing haul. I know I might make a mistake and say pretty young thing just because of the song, y'all, but I have one thing that does not fit, and it's these, oh my gosh, camouflage pants that I wanted to fit so badly. But the thing is, it's like a real cargo material, but it's lightweight, but it doesn't have any stretch, like no give at all. Like, the material, it's a lot of material in there, but this waist part was just not made big enough to get around my butt. If this was stretchy, I think it would have got around my butt, but they didn't work out. So these are the only things that did not fit, and I'll sit them to the side. So I guess I'll start off with this bodysuit since I'm wearing it. I absolutely love it. I saw it on the site and I was like, yo, I gotta have it. Of course I'll be trying it on the big screen and talking down here somewhere. So yeah, I love the sheerness of the top. I just wish it was like a little less mesh and more, I guess, opaque material. The bottom is an opaque stretchy material, and then the top is like a stretchy mesh, and it's see-through all the way around, so you do see my bra, you do see my rose, but other than that, like, I would probably wear a black bralette up under here just to, you know, have a little more coverage and not have a black and pink bra on. And then it also has that red stripe down the arm, so I just thought this was a really cute bodysuit. And it is high neck, so I don't know, it's just something about it that I like. Maybe it's the red stripe. So then I got some faux leather mini skirts, and y'all know I'm not really a mini anything. I like right above the knee and below the knee stuff, like, seriously. So I got this faux leather skirt in mauve and in this black color. Of course, I love the black one better. I think it goes perfectly with this bodysuit because I feel like the bodysuit is edgy, and so is the skirt. The skirt does have two functional zippers on the front. So if you want even more thighs showing than that's already showing with the mini skirt, then yeah, this will be a good skirt. Yeah, I really like the black one. I think I'm going to keep the black one. I'm going to end up keeping a lot of this stuff for a while because I do want to style it on Instagram. But after a while, you know, I might end up on my website because I have way too many clothes already and I'm not trying to add on. So the mauve one is a little less flattering. You get a little round tummy. So yeah, you see more bumps, lumps, dimples, all of that in the mauve one. But the reason I got the mauve one is to go with this next piece here. And the next piece is this duster. So I wanted to style that mauve faux leather skirt with this mauve silky long duster. And what else did I want to say? Okay, I either wanted to do a white bodysuit, white crop top, or a mesh bodysuit or crop top, or like a nudish or a pinkish type of color, just to have like a whole monochromatic color going on. So I might do like an all pink or all mauve outfit with this one right here. I love that it drags the floor, and yeah, that's just really cute to me. So I'll see how I style it, and you know, hopefully you guys stick around to see how I style it on Instagram. The next thing are these pants. I was really excited about these pants. They are like wide-legged trousers or wide-leg trousers. They have a nice stretch to them. They get on easily, and I love pants that you could just take on and throw off. You know, that's me. But I love the ruffle detail around the waist. It does take away from some of the attention to your stomach, but then again, because it is a detail, it draws more attention to your stomach. So it's like, I don't know how to explain that. But I will say definitely with some shapewear, some granny panties, some something, because this was not, like, the material showed, you know, the creases and crevices of the body. But other than that, like, I would probably throw on a pair of leggings under here to smooth everything out. And then I see this with a white crop top and some sandals, just for an everyday outfit. So then I got these two sweatshirts, and they're so bomb, and they can actually be worn as dresses because they're super duper long. So this first one I absolutely fell in love with. It's like this nude tan beige color, and it just looks really pretty on. I love the mesh detail at the top. I was super excited to collab with PrettyLittleThing because I have never worked with them, and I've seen a lot of people on Instagram wearing it. I've seen Passion Jones wearing it and styling it as well. So I was like, you know, I'm really interested in them. So yeah, I love this sweater, and I think with some over the knee nude boots, this would be really cute, and maybe some tights. But yeah, it's long enough to get away with wearing like as a sweater dress, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I really like that, and I can't wait to style that as well. So then the next one is this one, which I also feel like it can be worn as a dress. And I don't know if this is navy or black, but I love the color blocking in this. So yeah, I just like this color. I don't have anything this color right here, so I think that's really nice. And I don't really know how I would style it. That's what I'm over here trying to think about, and I'm all lost for my words and stuff. So yeah, I don't really know with this one, but I just really like the color blocking on it. I just think it's really cute. So if I'm not mistaken, yes, that concludes my PrettyLittleThing try on haul. Again, this is my first time ever wearing anything from PrettyLittleThing, first time collabing, and I'm very happy that I decided to collab with them because, you know, I love what I see on their Instagram, and I love the website, and I love the way Passion Jones put some of her outfits from PrettyLittleThing together as well. So again, I can't wait to style these. Hopefully you guys stick around for that, and thank you so much for joining. This hair again is Brazilian Curly from Donmily. I'll have all the links down below for the hair, the clothes, all of that good stuff. And catch me on Instagram in these outfits.